সোনামণি কেমন আছো?
আরে হ্যান্ডসাম, কোথায় যাচ্ছো? একটু তো পেছন করে দেখো।
Boys never realize what a girl passes through and how uncomfortable she feels. They go on doing undesirable things for their own fun. Staring, passing comments, teasing are included in the regular menu. But when the reverse will happen to them, perhaps then they will understand how it feels to be harassed publicly.
These boys do have a family. They have mothers, sisters, and they are also girls. But they forget all these if that girl is someone else. They forget that the particular girl can also be someone's mother or sister. They just see her as a mere object to show their masculine powers upon. And these types of incidents attract a number of silent audiences who seem to have lost their backbone to protest against these. Some stand as casual observers and some ignore and pass by. No one feels a sense of responsibility to protest against those wrongdoers.
There is a proverb, what goes around comes back around. Things which you do will some way or the other come back to you, probably in a much more stronger and fierce way. And that's the rule of karma.
Respecting a woman and protecting her from all odds should be the moral duty of everyone. They should show their masculinity in those cases. Those powers will get real meaning then. So there is still time to change yourself or be ready to face the disaster.